Hi there, I'm Miss Kristen, and today we're located in the 3rd floor of the Biggs Museum in our Inventing Illustration exhibition. Now, the painting behind me is by an illustrator or an artist who draws pictures as described in stories. And this artist is named Frank E. Schoonover. Now, this picture behind me is from a kid's story, and it is of a boy walking a flamingo. Now, this may seem like a really silly scene. So today's activity for Biggs Kids is we're going to create and illustrate our own silly stories. So what we'll do is we are going to get a piece of paper with our own story in it. Now, our story is full of empty spaces and gives us an idea of what types of words to put in these spaces with things like nouns, adjectives, and names. Now, a noun is a person, a place, or a thing. So, a painting with a boy and a flamingo in the woods. Those are all nouns: painting, boy, flamingo, and woods. Now, it also might ask for an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes. So this flamingo is pinkish. Pinkish is an adjective. The dark woods, the adjective, or dark, describes the woods. So here we have a boy and a pinkish flamingo walking through the dark woods. So our story will ask for things like nouns and adjectives, and you can choose any nouns and adjectives that you want. So be sure that you're working with a friend or a family member to help you create your story so that you don't know what you're describing. And that's how we're going to make our silly story. So for example, on mine it says one adjective and adjective time of day. There was an adjective adventurer named blank. Without looking, some of the people at the Biggs helped create our story. And when it was put together, it says, one silly and shiny noon, there was an amazing adventurer named Jimmy. So you do that for your whole story, and at the end, you get to draw your own picture inspired by what you see. In this case, somewhere along the way, we get a pretty rough-looking cow on a silly day, and our cow's name is Bill. So here, I drew Bill the cow by a foot on a silly bright noon day. And here at the Biggs, for our Biggs Kids, you can make your own silly stories. So I want to say thank you for joining us, and I hope you see us again soon. Bye.